हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं गुलशन कुमार आज आपके सामने टाइम सीरीज एनालिसिस पर कुछ एमसीक्यूज लेकर आया हूं। जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं कि हमारा पेपर एमसीक्यू बेस पर होने वाला है एंड मैंने इनकम टैक्स लॉ एंड अकाउंट्स एंड नेशनल इनकम पर कुछ एमसीक्यूज बनाया है। उसको आप आई बटन में देख सकते हैं। आइए चलिए इस वीडियो को कंटिन्यू करते हैं। टाइम सीरीज एनालिसिस। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, which of the following cannot be a component of a time series? Seasonality, trend, cyclical, mean. Mean cannot be a component of time series. D is the correct answer. Second, the first step in time series analysis is to perform regression calculations, calculate a moving average, plot the data on a graph, identify seasonal variation. First step in time series is to plot the data on a graph. C is the correct answer. Third, time series analysis is based on the assumption that A. Random error terms are normally distributed. B. The variable to be forecast and other independent variables are correlated. C. Past patterns in the variable to be forecast will continue unchanged into the future. Time series analysis is based on the assumption that past pattern in the variable to be forecast will continue unchanged into the future. C is the correct answer. Moving averages are useful in identifying A. Seasonal component, irregular component, trend component, cyclical component. Moving averages are useful in trend components. C is the correct answer. Fifth, we can use regression line for past data to forecast future data. We then use the line which minimizes the sum of square deviations of past data from the line. A is the correct answer. Sixth, which of the following is a major problem for forecasting, especially when using the method of least squares? A. The past cannot be known. B. The future is not entirely certain. C. The future exactly follows the patterns of the past. D. The future may not follow the patterns of the past. D is the correct answer. The future may not follow the patterns of the past. An overall upward or downward pattern in an annual time series would be contained in which component of the time series? Trend, cyclical, irregular, seasonal. Trend. Upward or downward pattern in an annual time series. Trend. A is the correct answer. The following trend line equation was developed for annual sales from 1984 to 1990 with 1984 as base or zero year. Y1 is equals to 500 plus 60x in 1000 rupees. The estimated sales for 1984 in 1000 rupees is C. X is the base year, then 60 into 0, base year is 0. 60 into 0 is 0. 500 plus 0 is equals to 500. Y1 is equals to 500. The answer is A. What is the disadvantage of the graphical method of determining a trend line? A. Provides quick approximations. B. Is subject to human error. C. Provides accurate forecast. D. Is too difficult to calculate. Disadvantage, graphical method. B is the correct answer. Subject to human error. 10th, which component of time series refers to erratic time series movements that follow no recognizable or regular pattern? trend, seasonal, cyclical, irregular. D is the correct answer. Irregular, erratic time series that follows no recognizable or regular pattern. D is the correct answer.